Welcome to another episode of Tinkerine Experiments. In this episode, we are going to do an experiment on PLA filament being exposed to different environments and how it would affect the print after the exposure. So we will be exposing brittle filament to radiation for a certain time period inside the microwave. I'm not too sure if exposing filament to radiation inside a microwave would do anything to the PLA, honestly, but I guess we'll find out from this experiment. I actually found more brittle filament in the warehouse than the clear filament that I started with, so we will be using this white filament instead. As we can see, this white filament has been out of the box with no desiccant package for a while. It is really brittle and easy to snap off. Now let's move on and put it into the microwave for 1 minute and see how it goes. So far, I don't see a difference in appearance inside the microwave. It's done now, we'll take it out. I actually don't feel a difference in the filament. It's not hot or anything. I wonder if it actually did anything, but we'll test it out. So far, it looks like the microwave actually freshened up the filament. It's not very easy to snap off anymore, as we saw earlier in the video. It actually takes a bit of an effort now. This is very interesting. Let's print with it as well to see if there's a change after exposing it to radiation from the microwave. So far, it looks like it is printing fine. It's sticking to the bed. I don't see anything that could go wrong with it. The print is done. Let's take a look at it. I don't see any defects. Looks like a pretty good print. Well, there you have it. We tried exposing filament to the radiation from a microwave, and it seems to have freshened up the brittle filament. Now it is more sturdy, but I'm actually not too sure how reliable this method is, and we'll have to test it further to make sure that it works. But nevertheless, it's a very interesting find. Before I end, I just want to remind everyone about Tinkerine U. The platform has a lot of teaching resources like 3D printing courses, STEAM challenges, and these experiments, so be sure to check it out. That's the end of our experiment. If you liked our video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you did not, then a thumbs down below. Remember to subscribe and comment on what experiments you would like to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Tinker out.